Hello everyone, welcome back to channel SciTech Guru. In this video, I'm going to test the 120 FPS high refresh rate gameplay support test in the Mi 11X device. So this is a question which has been requested by a few of my subscribers, asked me to do this kind of demonstration. That's the reason I thought of making a video on this Mi 11X device. The main reason is because recently I did upload the video on the Realme GT Neo 2 where the high refresh rate games are not supported because of some kind of UI optimization. So few of the users, they want to know what about the Mi 11X device, whether the Mi 11X can play any kind of 120 FPS gameplay or not. That's what I'm going to demonstrate, and this is a real-time FPS meter floating which I'm trying to use right now in this video just to show you what is happening with this kind of real-time FPS count. So let's start with the first game. Let's see whether this game will be able to play at 120 FPS or not. This game is a SpaceJet game, so which is available in the Play Store, and right now you'll be able to see exactly it's supporting 120 FPS without any kind of problem. As you can see friends, clearly you should be able to see the exactly real-time FPS meter what is happening. 117 and 114 we are getting exactly real-time FPS meter count. So I just want to show you the 120 FPS gameplay support. That's it. I'm not trying to play the game, but you can see what is going on. But overall, I think the game is supporting exactly 120 FPS without any kind of issues. So from the beginning, friends, I don't have any kind of problem with the Poco phones or maybe MI phones and FunTouch UI OnePlus phones in terms of not supporting high refresh rate games. Only the Realme UI at this moment having some kind of trouble with terms of optimization in terms of the high refresh rate games. So this game is supporting at the exactly 120 FPS without any kind of problem. So next try with the next game, which is a beach racing. So even this game also shows the sign of 120 FPS. So you can clearly see when 120 FPS is showing exactly as it is. Even this phone doesn't have any kind of problem at all playing 120 FPS graphics. You see the graphics, so it's still maintaining the 120 FPS only throughout the time. So in case if you want me to do any other reviews on other smartphones, let me know in the comment section below. Definitely I'll be able to do this kind of testings in the other phones as well, just to test what is happening with other devices. As you can see, overall it was able to maintain exactly 120 FPS consistently. It's maintaining nothing much major problems at this moment. And I'll try to play the final game as well, then we'll be able to come into conclusion what is happening. So let me try to show you the last game. This is the final game, friends, which I'm going to test in the 120 FPS, and even this game also supporting the 120 FPS without any kind of problems. Overall, the Mi 11X device, you should not have any kind of issues regarding the support of 120 FPS. So you should be able to play the high refresh rate games without any kind of issues in this device. No problem for me, nothing at all, no issues. As you can see how smooth it can actually play the games. So maybe in the future the Realme GT Neo 2 also will get optimized, but at this moment I'm not having any kind of problems in this Mi 11X device. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Definitely I'll be able to do this kind of testings as soon as possible for you all. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video and let's try to more updates. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.